If you did, can you show me your booty?
Come on.
You stop it. Get down. Get down.
Oh, it's Mizzy B. Hi, Mizzy B. Oh my god.
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants. They heard the can open.
Don't bite me. Why'd you bite me? Don't do it. Jojo.
One more hook, okay.
She patted you back.
Okay.
Stop, you're not gonna like it.
What happened? Excuse me? Excuse me? George! George! You good?
Ty tu, здоров.
Don't touch my food.
I'm just trying to pet you.
Hello?
Oh,
Hang on.
okay.
Oh!
Wow.
Don't matter what I do. Ow. How do I pet? How do we? Oh.
Run.
Bro, Michael.
I mean, sorry, the cats are doing something stupid again, and that's just...
Come here. Look.
I cannot hold it in anymore. I just wanna.
Are you hungry?
Dulu betul.
Oh, it's cold.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Gimana mati?
Let's see a handstand. Damn straight.
Motherfucker, don't ever fucking film me. I'm gonna kick the shit out of you.
Let's try again. Good morning.
I'm sorry, go back.
Vậy bạn ơi.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Hey, next.
Before I got my gun,
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw 'em.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Girlfriend and I are gonna get dressed.
Que yo vine fue a esto. What are you doing in here?
She was so innocent.
That's a sin. No.
You okay? Was that catnip too much for you?
You like it? What? Did you just pull your fist?
No, you jumped over these.
Are you tired?
Where's the catnip?
Normalize you not touching my charger.
Why are you being such a beast?
All of you on one hand. My God. Hey.
Continue selling its oil and gas.